Hello guys, Noor here. Leaker Ice Universe says that big upgrades appear to be on the way to the Samsung Galaxy S24 Plus, including a boost to a WQHD display resolution. This would be up from the Full HD resolution used on the Galaxy S23 Plus and several previous generations of Galaxy S Plus devices. Along with the basic Galaxy S24 and the S24 Ultra, Ice Universe alleges that the S24 Plus will have a maximum brightness of 2500 nits. Although other sources have said the Ultra could be even brighter than that, hopefully this brightness and resolution increase won't affect battery life much, as a larger battery has been tipped for the phone in the last year. Ice Universe also mentions that the Galaxy S24 Plus should weigh 195 grams and be 7.7mm thick. This would make it slightly lighter and thicker than the 196 grams and 7.6mm Galaxy S23 Plus, though you'll probably not notice just by holding both phones in your hands. That's it for today, guys. If you're curious about the latest upgrades coming to the Galaxy S24 Ultra, make sure to watch this video. Please don't forget to like and subscribe to get the latest news about your favorite devices. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.